Hi folks, we're back with Grogu today, Mattel's remote control Grogu, and today we're looking at the joystick function. So there's the joystick in the middle of the remote control, and it says joystick, use the joystick to move the child forwards, backwards, side to side and in a circle. So you're switching the, so you switch the remote on. And now we're going to use the joystick, so...
Which moves forwards, backwards and side to side.
Yeah,
okay.
So try forward first, Paul.
Forward.
Ah.
Well, that makes him go round, okay.
So which one made him go round?
Going up like that.
Ah, right.
I suppose it might make more sense if you hold it like that when you're using the joystick. So that would be forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be back.
Ah, it's because you hold it, like that on your wrist. Okay.
So up's forward.
Up's forward.
Down's back.
Down's back.
Left is spin round to the left.
So that's like anti-clockwise.
Yeah, and right is spin round to the right. And he works very well on a tiled floor.
Right. I'm not as experienced as Paul with joysticks, so let's see.
I'm sure you'll soon get the hang of it.
Right, so I'm going to press it upward. Woo! And now I'm going to make him go, I think this should be backwards. I'm pressing down. Oh, very smooth. And now I'm going to make him go, I'm going to press going to the left on the remote. So I think that'll make him go clockwise. Yeah. Woo! Do it well. And now make him go anti-clockwise. Even Jude can use this. Okay, so folks, that's Grogu on
a tiled
floor. So that's Grogu on a tiled floor.
They recommend you using a smooth surface, don't they?
So now we're going to try Grogu on carpet.
Come into the living room, Grogu.
Let's see if I can get him all the way into the living room. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Oh! Got the expert controlling him now. Looks like he's riding a horse. Giddy up there!
I think he's got quite a nice gait on the carpet. I don't think you make it up the carpet.
Oh no, fall over if you try and make him go over the rug.
So I wonder what his range is. It's an infrared remote control, isn't it? It seems very responsive.
It is, isn't it?
It's one of the better toys with a remote control that I've used.
I think Mattel, though, they're pretty good, aren't they? I mean, Mattel made the Raptor a couple of years ago, which is a bit on the expensive side, so didn't get it, but I did like it. I think it was £250.
Was that the Alpha Training Blue?
Yeah, that was it. I was just trying to think of the name of it. Alpha Training Blue, yeah. So they obviously really good with this sort of stuff. What do you think, folks? Do you think he's got a better gait on carpet or a better gait on tiles? I mean, he moves smoother on tiles, but
he's got sort of a walking action.
But he's got more of a walking action on carpet, yeah. Yeah, he's got a cuter action.
The carpet also seems to smooth out his movement and makes it more realistic, especially on turn, I've noticed.
Yeah. for this video. Quite a short one this time. Next time we're going to be looking at using the remote to initiate movement in Grogu. That's like his force action and moving his head, and for initiating sounds as well. So that should be fun. But for now, folks, that's all. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you next time.